Hey y'all, thank you for joining me again, but today I am super excited because I can't wait to go over the AmazeBox. So if you want to know what's in this bad boy, stay tuned. Okay, so what is the AmazeBox, you might be wondering. So limelife-by-alcone has came out with our own subscription box. So just like FitFabFun or like Ipsy, you're going to be able to get little tiny sample products or full-size products in the mail. It's gonna be a surprise every single month. So far, this is the July box, but so far it's been out since June and it has not let anybody down. This stuff has been totally amazing. So pretty excited to see what comes in the July box. When you subscribe to the AmazeBox, it is $38 a month and you are guaranteed to get $50 to $100 worth of product, as well as some inspirational cards or quotes or recipes. Who knows what's all gonna come in it. It's amazingly a surprise. Okay, so this box originally came out in June is when Limelife first launched it. It went over fantastic. So it was so good. It sold out in like 15 minutes. I was actually, when it launched for the very first time, I was birthing our son, Caden. So I couldn't join in any of the badness. But it launched again later on in June, and that box sold out within 10 minutes. So how they are doing this is if you already have a subscription, that's great, congratulations. You'll continue to get your subscription every single month, but the first Wednesday of every month, they will launch 2,000 new boxes for new subscribers. So you have, when that launches on that Wednesday, a few minutes probably to be able to get on the AmazeBox train. With the AmazeBox subscription, there's like no commitment or anything like that. You can cancel at any time. Also, if you do keep it for 6 months straight, you'll receive what's called the golden box. So that's supposed to be even more fantastic goodness. But let's check out my July box. Okay, so since I didn't get in on it in June, I was able to get in on it for July. So let's see what we got. When you open this, there is a cute little sticker. And then a little postcard kind of going over what is in our starter kit in case you want to join up as a beauty guide. As well as a little postcard, and this is just going over the products and what they do that come inside the kit. The past cannot be changed. The future is yet in your power. So there is a really cute quote. And then, okay, so this is what came in the July AmazeBox. So we got a miniature size due date, which I love this oil. This oil is for all skin types. It's a great to put on before your foundation to prime your face. It is great even for men to use like in their beards. It's a wonderful oil used for many things, as well as a first base makeup primer. I use this all the time. And this is what I use to help kind of make sure my foundation stays in place, it doesn't shift, and kind of give me that all over flawless coverage. So I absolutely love these. Plus these minis are totally refillable. So who doesn't like some minis? Okay, so I also got a full size of Eye Arise. So this is a aspen and bark serum, and then comes in this really cute little tube. So this subscription box, let me just refresh your memory, the subscription box is only $38 a month. This product alone, when you buy it, is $84. So, I mean, the box is definitely well worth it. Okay, so this serum is actually going to help brighten your under eye, remove those dark spots underneath your eyes, smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And then also this really cool, this is a ceramic applicator tip, and this will help reduce puffiness underneath your eyes as well. And this is like really, really cool, a cooling gel as it goes on. Okay guys, so that is what came in the July AmazeBox. Again, there will only be 2,000 of these launched first Wednesday of every month. So let me know if I can help get you on this amazing subscription. So as always, thanks again for watching. Please make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments about these AmazeBoxes, please message me in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe.